Hello students, hope you are all doing good. In the previous class we discussed about finding inverse to a matrix. In today's class we shall discuss how to find rank of a given matrix. We are discussing a new topic, that is we are discussing rank. First of all, I want you to write down the definition of rank. Rank of a matrix. Let A be a non-zero matrix. The rank of A is defined as the maximum of the orders of non-singular square submatrices of A. It is denoted by rank A. Now first of all, in order to find rank of a matrix, it must be a non-zero matrix, that is, it must not be a null matrix. So let us see how to find the rank of the given matrices. First one, find the rank of following matrices. First one, 1 0 0 0. In order to find the rank, you have to find the determinant first. Let A is equal to 1 0 0 0. Determinant of A is equal to 1 into 0 0 minus 0, which is 0. When determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is 0, the rank cannot be 2. Rank cannot be 2. Let us go for single element. Determinant of 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, rank of A is equal to 1. We find the rank by using the concept of determinant. Here, suppose if determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is 0, we will go for single element. We will find the determinant of single element, that will give you the same element. So, rank here is, rank of A is 1. Next, 1 0 0 1. Let A is equal to 1 0 0 1. Determinant of A is equal to 1 minus 0, which is 1. So, rank of A is equal to 2, because determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is not 0. Rank of A is 2. Let us see the third problem. 1 1 0 0. Let A is equal to 1 1 0 0. Determinant of A is equal to 0 minus 0, which is 0. So, rank is not 2. Rank of A is not 2. Determinant of 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, rank of A is equal to 1. Let us see the next problem. Fourth one. 1 1 1 0. Let A is equal to 1 1 1 0. Determinant of A is equal to 0 minus 1, which is minus 1 not equal to 0. For rank of A is equal to 2. So that's because determinant of A is not 0, rank of A is 2. Now let us discuss some more problems. based on rank. Fifth one, 1 0 minus 4, 2 minus 1 3. You are given this matrix. First of all, we will check for 2 by 2 matrix. Consider 1 0 2 minus 1, determinant of 1 0 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 minus 0, which is minus 1 not equal to 0. Therefore, rank of given matrix is 2, because here you have to take 2 by 2 matrix, then you have to go for 1 by 1 matrix. Here for 2 by 2 matrix you got determinant not equal to 0, so therefore the rank of given matrix is 2. I will give you one problem for homework, do it. Find the rank of 1 2 6 2 4 3. Find the rank of this matrix. Suppose if a determinant of 1 2 by 2 matrix is giving you 0, go for other. Let us do this problem. Consider determinant of 1 2 2 4, which is 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Next consider 2 6 4 3. This will give you 6 minus 24, which is minus 18 not equal to 0. Therefore, rank of given matrix is 2. Let us discuss some more problems based on rank. Seventh problem, 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. We have to find the rank of this matrix. Let A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Determinant of A is equal to plus minus plus 1 into 0 minus 1 minus 0 into 0 minus 0 plus 0 into 0 minus 0 into 0 minus 0 plus 0, close this column, close this row, 0 minus 0, 1 into minus 1, which is minus 1 not equal to 0. Therefore, rank of given matrix is 3. Let us discuss one more problem. One 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 one. Consider determinant of 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 plus minus plus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1. That will give you 0 minus 0 plus 0, which is 0. Therefore, rank of matrix is not 3. Let us check for 2 by 2 matrix. Consider determinant of 1 1 1 1, that is equal to 1 minus 1, which is 0. Therefore, rank of matrix is not 2. Rank of 1, next we will go for 1 by 1 matrix. Rank of 1 is, determinant of 1 is 1. Therefore, rank of given matrix is 1. I want you to take some problem for homework. Find the rank of the matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2. Find the rank of this matrix. Let us discuss one more problem. One, 2, 0, minus 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, minus 2, 3, 2, 5. We have to find rank of this matrix. For this we have to choose any 3 by 3 matrix. So for that, consider first the determinant of 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 1, minus 2, 3, 2. All this as plus, minus, plus. 1 into 8 minus, that is equal to 1 into 8 minus 3, minus 2 into, close this column, close this row, 6 plus 2, plus 0 into 9 plus 8. This part gives us 0. This is 8 minus 3, 5, minus 2 into 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 0. 5 minus 2 8s are 16. 5 minus 16 is minus 11, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, rank of given matrix, because we have taken 3 by 3 matrix is 3. I want you to do a problem for, take a problem for homework. Take this problem. Find the rank of 0, 1, 1, minus 2, 4, 0, 2, 5, 2, 1, 3, 1. Take this problem for homework. That's all for today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.